Cultural icon Ratan Thiyam ki punsi amadi mahaki legacy celebrate tawduna numit ini chupna chathagadama national seminar ama ngasidagi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na haudokre. Loinana ngasigi khunai asida Ratan Thiyam gumba khunai asigi asoiba puthokduna achumba lambi puthokpa ngamba midyang sanba mioi kaya mathau tai haina Governor na fongdokre. Manipur State Kala Academy amadi Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy ani na senduna Jain Manipur Dance Academy ki auditorium da haudokhiba thauram aduda academy ki chairman su oiriba Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na laikhidraba Ratan Thiyam bu peace ki pauze loini haina singthaki. Governor na makha taraduna Ratan Thiyam na mahaki play ki kuthangda santi ki pauzel kaya pibaga loinana traditional value amadi modern society ani gi marakta thong ama semba ngamki. Ratan Thiyam ki punsi wari asina lamdam masida lairiba naha oiriba theater tawriba singda creative expression gi anauba mayona mapiba ngamlagani haina Governor na fongdokhi. Thauram aduga mari lainana laikhidraba Ratan Thiyam gi imung manung gi mioi singda ikai khumnaba utpaga loinana Doordarshan na puthokpa Ratan Thiyam gi play singda yumfam oiba documentary film amasu miyamda utki.
I also hope that these discussions will not only illuminate his rich legacy but inspire young theatre practitioners to pursue new dimensions of creative expression. Looking at the society, the way we are developing, the way we are growing, the way cosmopolitan outlook is coming, perhaps we need many Ratan Thiyams in the society to flag the ills of the society, point the right way of dealing with it and not accepting something which is wrong. It provides a rare opportunity to meaningful dialogue among individuals from diverse backgrounds and professions. I am also pleased to note the presence of two distinguished personalities who have known Ratan Thiyam closely. Your insights will add immense value to this event.